This under cabinet light set offers reliable motion activation that responds quickly in dark spaces, along with a handy option for continuous illumination when you are cooking or working. The 3 selectable color tones and smoothly adjustable brightness make it easy to fine-tune the lighting for anything from soft nighttime glow to clear task lighting. A built-in rechargeable battery with modern Type-C charging and an efficient standby mode means you recharge less often and avoid constantly buying disposable batteries. The included remotes let you change brightness, switch color tones, and set automatic shutoff timers without needing to reach under the cabinet each time. Strong magnets and stick-on metal plates make installation tool-free and allow you to remove each bar easily for charging or repositioning. Its slim design and versatile mounting options make it well-suited for kitchens, closets, hallways, bookshelves, and other spots where you want clean, even light without visible wiring.